Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can go live on Instagram. So follow the step which I'm gonna be showing you in order to go live on Instagram. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want the step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. So by going live, you can interact with your followers, and whenever somebody goes live, you can see the live icon on your story. So whenever I go live, other people can go to my story to view my live. All right, it's not gonna be a story, it's gonna be a live this time. So let me show you guys how you guys can go live. But before that, just make sure your internet connection is fast, because sometimes if your internet is slow, Instagram is not gonna let you go live. All right, so make sure to keep that in mind, that your internet is fast enough to handle you going live. If it is good, then you can click on the plus button at the bottom. And you can see, see live at the bottom where it says post story live. You want to click on live. Once you click on live, you can choose any filter from over here if you want to. You can even flip your camera over here, front camera, back camera. All right, you can choose whichever thing you want, whichever filter you want. And once you click on this button over here, it's gonna say checking connection, and after the checking connection is finished, you'll start to go live. But I canceled it because I don't want to go live, because I'm recording my screen right now. If I go live, my screen recording process will be stopped, which means you cannot see me going live. All right, but the step on how you guys can go live is this. You can just click on this button and you'll start to go live. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can go live on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Want to step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.